So, some of you might want to know what I carry out to the out yard. Well, right now I'm in the in yard, my home yard, but this is what I use. I've taken a inexpensive laundry basket that's pretty heavy duty, and I've put a strap on it, and it's just big enough and light enough to carry everything I need. So I've got my blowtorch to start my smoker, the usual accoutrements. If I need gloves, I use the nitrile gloves, and I've got my heavy-duty gloves, and just anything else I'm going to need with me. But this makes it so much easier to carry stuff. I tried the 5-gallon pails, didn't do it for me. I tried some custom stuff I'd built, didn't do it for me. This, it's light, and it works. So, I recommend if you're new to just decommission a laundry basket and use that. That's it. Good luck, good beekeeping.